Hello guys, this is Thompson from 5 Best Ones. Are you looking for the best product on the market? If yes, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will share every bit of information with you so that you can pick the best product according to your need. We have made a list by investing a healthy amount of time and effort. The link in the description demonstrates the product list with a pretty reasonable value. So let's get started. If you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for our latest videos.
Number 1. Alienware M15 R4 RTX 3070. Our thin and light chassis prioritizes performance. The fire-resistant, Kevlar-like liquid crystal polymer fan blades include sleeve bearings and 3-phase fan control to create less friction and circulate air more efficiently. The dynamics of thermal activity across critical components like the GPU and the CPU are intelligently discharged across four 3.5 mm diameter copper composite heat pipes. This technology is a result of hardware engineering that enables graphics and / or processors to run at their highest levels of performance for extended lengths of time. This increases the number of voltage regulation phases, which thereby raises power signal efficiency and thermal efficiency per core. For blazing fast, uninterrupted gaming, the latest generation of the Alienware M15 offers 300 Hz panels that are now twice as fast as the previous R2 generation. This panel includes sRGB 72% color gamut, 1000:1 contrast ratio, 300 nit brightness, and 3 ms response time. Meet the demands of even the most visually intense games with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card with enhanced ray tracing cores. If you want to add even more storage space, the Alienware M15 R4 is capable of supporting a maximum of 3 M.2 NVMe solid-state drives. Expand your world with an SD media card reader and a push-push micro SD slot supporting SD 5.1 UHS 2 HD 312 SD media. The incredibly responsive keyboard features 1.7 mm travel with 4-zone RGB N-key rollover and anti-ghosting technology. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. New Dell XPS 15 9515.6. The Dell XPS 15 might be the most famous, most celebrated all-rounder laptop series of the last decade, outside of Apple's MacBooks. Dell's 2020 XPS 15, the 9500, is an excellent alternative to the MacBook Pro 16 and is far better for gaming. In most respects, it is near flawless. The build quality is superb, the screen is excellent, performance is good, it runs quietly for office-type jobs, and the speakers are among the best ever put into a Windows laptop. There are 2 issues to consider and 2 more minor complaints. Like all XPS machines, the Dell XPS 15 2020 is fairly expensive. Its keyboard is a little shallow, if great in other respects. Also, the implementation of HDR is flat-out bad and the webcam is fairly poor. You can't have everything. But for many, the Dell XPS 15 is the ultimate Windows laptop. Dell shows admirable consistency in its XPS laptop design. It hasn't been swayed by the popularity of bare metal laptops and continues to use a soft-touch keyboard plate. The black Dell XPS 15s is a series staple plastic composite reinforced with a layer of woven carbon fiber. Dell's Frost White version, not yet available at the time of review, switches carbon fiber for woven glass. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Dell G7 17. Overall, the Dell G7 17 is a sufficiently performing gaming laptop. Although the laptop doesn't top the performance charts, it will let you play almost any game on high settings. Besides, it has an impressive battery life, even for a 17-inch gaming laptop. Purchasing a laptop is an important decision, especially one as pricey as the Dell G7 17. Based on this fact, I have written this Dell G7 17 review to provide you with all the details you need before making a purchasing decision. In this review, I will critically analyze the features of the Dell G7 17. Specifically, I will analyze its design, CPU, RAM, storage options, GPU, and battery performances. To determine the performance of the laptop in the outlined aspects, I provide results from benchmark tests. Additionally, I will compare the laptop with competing laptops in the market. Finally, you will find out how the laptop performed at a glance by checking out the rating after each section. Therefore, at the end of this review, you will discover everything you need to consider before spending your money. The Dell G7 7790 is the first 17.3-inch model of the G7 series of gaming laptops. The G7 series are mid-range gaming laptops that sit between the low-budget G3 series and the high-end Alienware. Dell made several variations of the G717 laptop with varying configurations. With different variations available, users can choose a model based on the specification they need. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Dell XPS 13-9310 Thin. Dell XPS 13-9310 Thin. The Dell XPS 13-9310 is an undeniably impressive laptop. Dell has whittled down the size of this 13.4-inch laptop to the point where it's roughly the same size as an 11.6-inch model, and it still has sprightly performance and relatively long battery life. Dell added the option to configure the XPS 13 with an OLED display, organic light-emitting diode. That is the cherry on top of this premium little laptop. The display looks stellar, and while it hurts battery life some, it's not as horrific as past OLED laptops we tested. It's a worthwhile upgrade if you're looking for the ultimate ultra-portable. Although the XPS 13's price starts at $950, that configuration's Core i3 CPU doesn't offer the same capabilities as the Core i5 and i7 configurations that are Intel Evo certified. The Evo label means the system is tested to hit certain mobile performance requirements, such as getting at least 9 hours of battery life with normal use, recharging quickly, and being just as responsive on battery power as it is plugged in. You also can't get the OLED display without an i7 1185 G7 or i7 1195 G7 processor. The base configurations vary by region. In Australia, the new XPS 13 starts at $2,499, and in the UK it's PS 1099 but includes a Core i5 processor. Both sites sell older, less expensive configurations of the XPS 13. So if your priority is having a small, lightweight, well-constructed laptop and not the fastest possible CPU or an OLED display, you aren't locked into these higher starting prices. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Alienware X17 R1. The last time I checked in on how laptops were faring with 4K gaming in 2019, things weren't looking so hot. NVIDIA's last-gen RTX 20 series mobile chips couldn't work hard enough to smoothly run demanding games at 4K without several compromises to visual fidelity. Fortunately, things have changed for the better this year with the RTX 3080, specifically for the X17's high-powered 16GB VRAM variant. The X17's 3080 has a maximum graphics power level of 165W and a boost clock speed of 1545 MHz. That's really powerful for a mobile GPU and close to the highest amount of power that NVIDIA allows for its mobile graphics chips. It's certainly the most graphically capable laptop that I've tested yet. I'll get to the performance numbers in a sec. But it's important to note near the top that this is one of Alienware's best gaming laptops yet, and not only because it whips at gaming. Its X-Series design is new for 2021, resulting in a slimmer and sleeker look that balances form and function better than most other models that have similar power levels without foregoing ports. More on that later. For gaming and other intensive tasks, its cooling system is efficient, keeping this 17.3-inch 4K beast both cool and surprisingly quiet. And even when you're doing other stuff, the clicky Cherry ultra-low-profile mechanical switches are fun to type on. It's a heavy laptop that you probably won't want to lug around too many places, but functionally, the X17 is almost as good for work as it is for gaming. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next week. Thank you.